What if you could launch your own fitness coaching app without hiring developers, paying monthly fees, or spending thousands of dollars? Imagine having your own branded fitness app where clients can access workout plans, meal plans, memberships, progress tracking, and even receive notifications directly from you. Well, that's exactly what Gymbly claims to offer. In today's video, I'll show you what Gymbly is, how it works, its features, pros and cons, pricing, and whether it's worth buying or not. And if you decide to pick up Gymbly through my link below, you'll also get my exclusive bonus package absolutely free. Let's get started. Introduction. The fitness industry is booming, and more coaches are moving online than ever before. The problem is that creating a custom fitness app normally costs thousands of dollars and requires a development team. Gymbly aims to solve that problem by allowing fitness coaches, personal trainers, nutritionists, gyms, and wellness businesses to create their own branded fitness app without coding. So instead of sending clients to third-party platforms, you can build your own app and manage everything from one dashboard. Before we begin, if you decide to pick up Gymbly through my link in the description, you'll get my exclusive bonus package completely. Free bonus number 1, email marketing. Mastery guide bonus. Number 2, social media content. Pack bonus number 3, list building. Profit bonus number 4, digital marketing. Video course bonus number 5, AI marketing. Video course. These bonuses are designed to help you generate more leads, build your audience, and grow your online business faster. What is Gymbly? Gymbly is a white-label fitness app platform that allows you to create and customize your own mobile fitness application where your clients can access workout programs, follow meal plans, track progress, join memberships, purchase courses, receive notifications, communicate with coaches. The platform is designed to help fitness professionals create a more professional brand and generate recurring revenue through subscriptions and memberships. Main features: white label mobile app. One of the biggest selling points is that Gymbly lets you create a fully branded fitness app. You can add your logo, your colors, your business name, your branding elements. This means clients see your brand instead of a third-party platform. To do workout management, you can create workout programs and training plans for your clients. Whether you're a personal trainer or online fitness coach, you can organize and deliver fitness programs directly through the app. Tour 3. Meal planning system. Nutrition plays a major role in fitness results. Gymbly includes meal planning capabilities so coaches can provide nutrition guidance alongside workout programs, memberships, and recurring income. Another interesting feature is the ability to sell memberships, courses, subscriptions, premium programs. This can help create recurring monthly revenue instead of relying only on one-time coaching payments. Push notifications. Gymbly includes notification features that help keep clients engaged. You can send reminders, updates, and announcements directly to users through the app. Team management. If you operate a larger fitness business, Gymbly allows multiple team members such as trainers, nutritionists, managers to work inside the platform with different roles and permissions. Who is Gymbly for? Gymbly may be suitable for personal trainers, fitness coaches, nutrition experts, online fitness businesses, gym owners, wellness coaches, health consultants. If you're trying to build a stronger fitness brand and want your own mobile app, Gymbly could be worth considering. Now let's jump inside the dashboard and see exactly how Gymbly works. Now let's take a look inside the Gymbly dashboard and see what this platform has to offer. As soon as you log in, you're welcomed by a clean and user-friendly dashboard where you can manage your entire fitness business from one central location. You can quickly access workouts, exercises, meal plans, members, users, and other important business tools. First, we have the exercises section. Here, you can manage a large library of fitness exercises complete with images, sets, reps, and workout instructions. You can also add your own custom exercises to create personalized fitness programs for your clients. Next is the workout section. This allows you to combine exercises into complete workout programs for different fitness goals such as weight loss, muscle building, strength training, and overall fitness. You can even create free or premium workout plans for your members. We also have a dedicated warm-up section where coaches can create pre-workout routines to improve mobility, flexibility, and injury prevention. This helps users prepare properly before starting their training sessions. Moving on to body parts, Gymbly allows you to organize exercises by muscle groups such as legs, hips, waist, thighs, and more. This makes it easy to build targeted workout programs based on specific training objectives. The equipment section helps categorize exercises based on the equipment required, including dumbbells, barbells, resistance bands, machines, and other fitness tools. This makes it simple to create both gym-based and home-based workout plans. Next, we have the Levels feature. Here, workouts can be organized according to user experience levels such as newbie, beginner, intermediate, and advanced. This ensures every client receives workouts that match their fitness level. Another useful feature is the Goals section. Coaches can create programs focused on specific outcomes such as weight loss, muscle gain, improved posture, stability, or high-intensity training. This allows clients to follow a more personalized fitness journey based on their goals. One of the standout features of Gymbly is the Nutrition module. Inside this section, you can create meal plans, manage recipes, organize food items, and categorize nutrition programs. This allows coaches to provide complete fitness and nutrition guidance from a single platform without relying on multiple tools. Overall, Gymbly provides a comprehensive system for fitness coaches, personal trainers, nutrition experts, and gym owners who want to manage workouts, nutrition, and client programs through their own branded fitness app. Pros and cons. Pros. Professional branding. Having your own app instantly makes your business look more professional. Multiple revenue streams. You can sell coaching, memberships, courses, and subscriptions from one platform. No coding required. You don't need technical skills to launch your fitness app. Client management, everything is organized in one place. Scalable. Business model suitable for both individual coaches and larger fitness businesses. Cons. To keep this review honest, here are a few potential downsides. Learning curve. New users may need some time to learn all available features. Better for fitness professionals. If you're not involved in the fitness industry, Gymbly may not provide much value. Success. Depends on your marketing. The software can help build your app, but you'll still need clients and traffic to grow your business. Pricing. Gymbly is currently being offered with a one-time payment model rather than the expensive custom development route that many fitness businesses normally use. According to the platform information, it emphasizes ownership and avoiding recurring software costs. For the latest pricing and available upgrades, check the link below this video because vendors occasionally update their offers. Conclusion. So, is Gymbly worth it? If you're a fitness coach, personal trainer, nutrition consultant, or gym owner looking to create your own branded fitness app, Gymbly offers a very interesting solution. Instead of paying developers thousands of dollars, you can potentially launch your own fitness app, manage clients, sell memberships, and build your brand from a single platform. For fitness professionals, I believe Gymbly is definitely worth taking a closer look at. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more software reviews. And if you're interested in getting Gymbly, click my link in the description below to secure the best deal available. Plus, you'll receive my exclusive bonus package to help you get better results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.